everyone, so the next game that we're going to be doing is another game that I've known for quite a while. Sorry, let me just turn it down. I don't call it. It's called Animal Jam. It's a game where you have to play as an animal, and you just get to do whatever you want. And the reason why I'm not trying out new games or making videos of me doing any new things is because I'm waiting for you guys to leave a comment for what kind of new things I should play, because I have no idea what to play. Anyways, let's just get started. Anyways, I'm gonna go to my den, so here we are. Oh, look at this! Join the club. I can't really join the club when I don't have any money. That's so embarrassing. No, just that. Oh, look at this. I've also got a ghost to help me. Look at this. Look, when I click on it, yeah, there, look, leaves fall. Then, look. The ghost cleans it all up for me. Ah! There's a ghost in my house. This den is haunted, you know, because I've got a pet ghost. Alright, anyways, and I thought we could let's just for our first Animal Jam video, let's maybe go and play a few games. And I love this game, sorry, Gem Breaker. Play to earn gems, single player. Oh. Yahoo! Easy. We are done. I got it. Right, so what you basically have to do is that you actually have to basically shoot the gems and destroy them. Then you've got to try and kill those two spider-looking things, which are phantoms in the ball. Yeah. Okay. And maybe I'm just going to be playing a few games for this video. And then in the next video, I'll try and think of something else you could do. Or you guys can just leave a comment. Oh, that reminds me. Speaking of the description, you guys, I'm actually going to leave a link to the two other videos that I created. The one with Trev, Fireboy and Water Girl. And also just the one with me in reality. And then this is the last video that I'm gonna do for tonight, and that was a big one. It's glitching like mad, but that's okay. Because I'm a princess, I can take it. I'm a princess. Oh no. Oh, this is the bits where it gets really hard. There we are. I'm maybe just going here, because if they go past this line, I'm dead. There we go. Oh! I thought that went past. Dude, I should just not go crazy, maybe. Right, anyways, let's try and do this. Yes, did it! I earned 62 gems. Right, anyways. Die, stupid phantom scum. That was lame. Just here come the rocks. Here come the rocks. Whoa! Another lame one. 104 gems. I'm pretty sure that was. Oh, here comes these really hard snowballs. Alright, let me try and do this. No. Right, so basically these white ones, I think you have to hit another white one if you get it. So anyways, right. Let's So let's do this. Oh, this is so tricky. So fresh, lively, fresh. I'll destroy those two, these guys, and these guys. This is the ones that are really close to that line that I told you about earlier. Oh no! Oh no, this is bad. Ah, yeah! That was awesome. Anyways, level 7. I've never gotten up to level 7 before. Actually. Oh wait! Oh no! Oh, anyways, guys, that's gonna waste time for the video. Oh wait, no, I think we can record a tiny bit longer. We can. And if you hear that weird noise, that's just my fidget spinner. You can never mind about it. Okay, anyways, here's my den. And look at all these guinea pigs that I've got. I'm gonna go to my bedroom. Oh, I never knew I had that icicle thing. And I'm gonna see if any of my friends are online. Because they never are for some reason. No, I think they all got bored of Animal Jam and all just left me. I've got a freaking motherload of a friendship list here. But I need to try and to connect to some of my real friends and stop hanging out with these strangers. Oh, and these are some portals that go to their dens, to be honest. Alright, where should we go now? Oh, I've got my journal, actually. Let me show you guys this journal. Wait, what's this? A present? Oh yeah, look, I got this, a platypus. I got a platypus, this lizard thingy, a hedgehog, a snake. Oh, come on. Still glitching. Nah. And then this one, nope. We got a cactus. Okay, anyways, let's see. Oh, we got a lot of meerkat. We've got Timon and Pumbaa. Woo! We got Timon and Pumbaa. Skunks. No, I want to get out of here. Get out. Let me out. Let me out. Ah! Oh, jeez. All right then, everybody. I'm afraid that has wasted up most of our time for this video. And I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please do leave a like and do subscribe too. And also leave a comment if you want me to do anything else more on this game, or just send a comment for any other games that you want me to play. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video for today, and I will see you guys later. Peace out. See ya!